guys, Raj Cool here, and today, I got something very special for you guys. And are you watching behind me? I got a trailer and plus a new car. But first, let's you guys see the money and the goal. I'm working hard, yes. First, let's customize. So I find the van is very untouched. So let's do some customizing. So guys, let's go into upgrades. Ooh, blower. Okay, we can install a blower, guys. Stage 3, stage 4, guys. Got the hood. Okay, that look nice. Okay, that is handbrakes, guys. Of course, you buy that. Gearbox. Nah. Ooh, tracks. Where are guys? Okay, the tracks look good. Let's put in the back wheel for now, guys. Okay, this is boring stuff. Okay, let's go to customizing. So the wraps. So first, let's change the body color, guys. Wait a minute. Guys, I think we need some new tires. So let's see. Okay, guys. I think we might buy this one. Okay, guys. We will buy dually tires. Yes. Watch how amazing that looks. Non-dually. I find okay. We'll do the dually, guys. Hey, dually, guys. Okay, off-road. Why not? We put the off-road back. We put the trucks in the back, guys. Rims. The color is my favorite color, of course. The green. Guys, we look for a good rim. This one look nice. Classy. Okay, guys. There's nothing. Ooh. I think we might go for this one, guys. Ooh. Okay, guys. That look nice so far. And that's the wraps. Ooh. Nah. Snake, nah. Look for a nice one, guys. Okay, the camera looks. Ooh, of course this. Guys, I'm buying this one. So it's so cool. Okay, that looks good so far. The body, of course, guys. Ooh, we have lots of option here. Ooh, you could buy one of these things, guys. I can't really see it good. You guys can see it. I think this one look good. Nah. Roll cage? No, this is not the roll cage. This is. Oh. Ooh. Guys, I kinda like this one. It's in the color to green. Yeah, and the body of the paint. Guys. Okay. Guys, I don't think I have enough money, guys. I don't think we have enough money, guys. Well, the only thing I could do is like change my tires. Where my tire, guys? I think it's here. So, why change? Custom. Alright, tires. I kinda like these. I know these, you guys. I kinda like these. But what's your price? I forgot to watch the price. Guys, we could go what we can afford. The one looks kinda nice, guys. Yeah, you buy this one and dually and plus the things. So I think we have money for this. We got a lot more. We could change the color, guys. The color of the van. Okay. Yep. Tinted window. Hello, tinted. Okay. Buy glossy gray. Glossy. Should be shining. Okay. Apply mods. We still got about 9,000 left. What else? What else? This is runs. Suspension. Shocks. Guys. I don't think we have enough money for that, so. Oh yes, guys. I forgot this thing. Of course, we need to change the body to green. Green is my favorite color, guys. If you don't know, this is the only thing. This is the only thing you can change it. So again, I'm so disappointed. You could change the tires, maybe. Looks something cheap, guys. Cheap. Ooh, this one looks nice. Okay, that is 500, and I pick the same one here. 500. Alright, guys. Apply mods, and we completely broke now. So, guys, I have one more surprise for you before we do this. Let's equip the stroller. Put no, that's lights. Load car and trailer and play. And guys, single player, I actually unlock all the maps. And guys, all the map, every single map, guys. So so far this time we're going to desert, guys. And after everyone more, we're going stunt park and after rock park. So let's go for the desert for now, guys. And let's do something. If you guys want me to buy different vehicles, let's see hamburger, guys. Okay. This guy look nice. Okay. Let's go somewhere like camping. Yes, guys, like a little camping trip. Let's put no drive from me, not gonna go faster. Okay, guys. Whoa. Guys, watch my engine in the front, guys. My engine, guys. Watch my engine in the front. It's so cool. Okay, over here. Okay, guys. I think up over here could be camping for now. These tracks on this van is cool. And plus the engine. And the green really brings out the color. Oh, I forgot to put my trailer. Let's go up here, guys. Come on, I let you have trucks. What could stop a truck? Okay, guys. I think right over down here could be a nice spotter. Okay, take our time. Woo! Okay, guys. Let's park. We got the trailer and swap cars. Wait, what? I'm gonna just stop cars. Oh, this is the trailer. Swap cars. So, guys, let's do a little more exploring. We'll go up on this buggy thing. Whatever this guy's called. So we go crab hills, good. Yeah, crab hills. So let's find out amazing view. Ooh, I like that view over there. Let's go there. Try to go there, guys. Okay. So far we are doing good, somewhat good. I want to climb that big hill over there. Hopefully I can do it without no issues. Okay, let me see if I can climb up here. Okay. Ready, guys? And hit it. I wasn't making that for sure. Let's find. Oh, true. Okay, guys. Let's find a Oh, now we could go up here, guys. We could go up there. We could do it on high, guys. So it could be like a little jump. Okay, guys. Let's do it. And come on. Low. No! Okay, guys. It was somewhat close, so I think we need more speed. So let's reverse here. Let's go all the way over here. This might be enough speed, guys. So ready, go. 3, 2, 1. Now if I go up. Go! Ooh. Never make it. Okay, guys. Let's find a different way around. I think I only estimated this car. Okay. Well, I got a box here. Okay, guys. Hit the box. Money. And boom. Fast. Let's try to climb a different hill, guys. So far doing good, which is alright for me. Okay, guys. Okay. Oh, that ditch there. Look, me a flip. Guys, I think we are here. Okay, guys, ready? I don't think we can climb this hill, guys. Honestly, truly, I don't think we can climb this hill. We could try doing it sideways, but we will fail. We will fail. This map is like mostly like for rock climbers or something like that. Rock crawlers, I mean. Guys, I do not think we could go up here, guys. I do not think we could go up there. But I forgot to say, guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe. I don't know how I could forget that. The greatest YouTuber in the world. I beat like Dream. Yes, guys, I actually did that. Okay. I'll see you next box there. Let's go for a box and let's end this video then. Oh, guys, I got one more announcement. I almost forgot. When we reach 1,000 subscribers, guys, listen carefully. When we reach 1,000 subscribers, it will be a surprise. But I'll get a clue, guys. I think I may or may not be making my own merch to go, so you could go buy or not. So just remember, guys, as we reach 1,000 subscribers, yeah. Okay then, guys, I may or may not be making my own merch. So yeah, please subscribe. Okay, guys, let's think and do about do drift. Okay, guys, let's grab this big box. Okay, and I hope you enjoyed today's video, and thanks you for watching, and bye. Make sure like, subscribe, and